What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Donzo back here with another video, and today we're gonna be going over my Hellcat build and going over every parts of my wrap in depth and in detail, because little do y'all know, my wrap means a lot more than just aesthetics. First time seeing me on screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. Go ahead and get it fired up for y'all, man. Hey, ignore the Rudolph nose, man. I've been in a lot of Christmas parades lately, man, so I'm gonna leave that on there until Christmas time's over with. Alright, man, we here, bro. Y'all quick walk around other route. A little quick walk around before I get into explaining every single detail on the car, because I didn't miss anything. I didn't miss anything at all. Everything on this car has been touched. Everything on this car has been detailed to explain my life over the past 6-7 months. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the hood right here. This is a very important detail that people definitely miss just because they're not this close to my car, and it is right here. Now, I did have some issue with some of the ceramic coating, which that'll be fixed later on this week, but this actually says Mama's Keeper right here. I know it's very hard to see. What's funny, like, I'm not tripping about this little mess up right here because it actually goes with the wrap, but all this was actually filled in dark gray, so there was no white showing at all. But it says Mama's Keeper here, and it's on the left side of the car because I am left-handed. I think that went over y'all head, you know what I'm saying? That's how in detail that I got this car, and we only just started on the first thing. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next thing, and that is gonna be inside my door jambs. So if y'all check my door jambs out, they have my logo all through them. It's on the front, it's on every single door of my car. Every single door. My logo is God First, God Bless, in the shape of a dove. Nothing wrong with showing how much you love God. I promise you, there's nothing wrong with it at all. Everybody doesn't have to know that you have God tucked away with you at all times. Looking at my car, you wouldn't even know my door jambs were dead at all. You know, if we go back and do it again and we open the door right here, God is always with me at all times, tucked away me. That's really one of my favorite parts of the car, just because it is a simple detail, but it's so simple to the touch. Like, nobody really catches it unless you're really in-depthly looking at my car. My next thing here is on the brake calipers. This is another detail that goes very unnoticed. Is my name. It is right here on the brake calipers, on every single one of them. So what we did, we put a Brembo logo. I wanted to look factory OEM as possible, and me and my rap artist actually took this logo. We took a regular font and we actually put slashes through every one of the letters and numbers. This is why I tell y'all, man, this rap's 1-on-1, bro. Nobody's doing as hard as me around here, especially when I don't know cat, bro. And if you do, let me know down in the comment section, please do, because I want to see it. If it's another cat as hard as my, comment down below in the comment section, because I want to see it too. We gotta pop the hood. Y'all have already seen it. Video is already on my channel of me getting this whole portrait done of my mom up under my hood. Basic meaning behind it is basically stating the motor of a car is the heart. So my mom will be in my heart forever. Therefore, she's under my hood. Gotta be there. She's rolling me wherever this cat goes. Lately, you know, the car's been going a little bit out there on TikTok, and I've had a couple comments that were just reaching. But I don't care about nothing else on this car. You feel me? I don't care about nothing else on this car. This is the most important part and best part of my Hellcat. And I don't care about how anybody else feels about it. You feel me? That's how I feel about it. That's my shit. Y'all still here? Y'all still watching? Because the rap's only gonna get just better from here. So this is the perfect angle and perfect spot on my car to show y'all this. My logo that I just showed y'all in the door jamb is also embossed in my wrap. So everywhere, if I back up just a little bit, everywhere on my car is black, has my logo embossed in it. As life goes on, you're gonna go through some rough patches, rough days, rough nights, but you gotta keep it pushing. So to be able to rub my wrap and feel every little logo that I have on my car symbolizes everything that you go through on a day-to-day basis is not gonna be pretty. It's gonna be rough. There's not one part on my car that does not make sense. And we finna move straight on right to my Hellcat logo. This Hellcat logo is another one of my favorite parts just because it has my name in it. Nobody in the world has my Hellcat logo. Nobody. If there is, I'm getting you for copyright. You feel me? So, if y'all look close attention, first off, number one, my eyeball's on fire. Yeah, I see that. My eyeball's definitely on fire. Now we're gonna back up again right quick. So my name is G1GB Nozzle. That's what a lot of people call me. That's what I like to go by. G1GB Nozzle on all social medias, by the way. So y'all make sure y'all follow me. That'll be down below in the description. But if y'all look here, we got a G. Now, people on TikTok have still yet to catch this, and I've definitely explained it more than once. Here is the G. Here's the G. Then we come right here. Here is the 1. Now this is kind of hard to tell right here. This is the 1, and it goes straight into the G right there. And then we got the teeth, and the bottom tooth is a B. Y'all see that? Don't let it go over y'all head. Don't let it go over y'all head. That's 1-on-1 shit right there, man. That's 1-on-1 shit. Now on the other side, this is I had a big controversy about when doing the wrap of what I really wanted to do. I had a Hellcat logo for this side to read the words going up this way, but it was the I don't know, the anal of me. You know, I know it might be not the right word to use, but I wanted the same logo on both sides. I didn't want two mismatched logos. So here again, it's flipped. It's the same logo, it's just flipped. Here's the G that goes this way. There's the 1. There's the G going backwards, and there's the B again with the bottom tooth. But I wanted to have the same Hellcat logo. There's not really, I mean, it's not too much meaning behind the Hellcat logo, but my name, of course, means God first, God bless, and it's in the Hellcat logo matched together in one. Like I said before, it's some 1-on-1 shit. But it's just a small, smooth detail that people still to this day don't catch. Even if I sit here and explain it. All right, we go back to the right side one. Even when I explain this, people still don't see it. And I guess it's easy for me to see it because I designed it, it's because I drew it. But I don't know how y'all don't see it. If you still don't see it, I don't know what to tell you at this point. I really don't. I don't know what to tell you at all. This is the shop that kind of helped me put my wrap together. Now I know I had a lot of hands-on as far as telling what I wanted what, and I wanted this over here. And actually, like I stated before, my logo being embossed, I laid down over 150 dubs on my car myself. You know, the shop kind of let me be in there in and out every day, countless hours when the shop was closed, to make sure I had my wrap done exactly how I wanted it. Bare Knuckles Automotive, definitely want to give a big shout out and appreciate to y'all. They're located down in LaGrange, Georgia. If you need anything, you can go through me and I'll point you in the right direction. Without them, a lot of this would not mean anything. Looking more at the car, I know you're probably wondering what the fire means and why does it look like it's burning up. And I'm finna go ahead and put y'all on game right quick. I know, lost my mom, wrecked my Dynaco car, lost another family member just recently. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but I just recently lost another auntie that was very close to my mom and very close to me. They were like two mothers in my life. So basically my whole rap and the whole explains of all the hell that I've been through in the 6 and 7, half of a year basically, but I'm still here. When I was designing my car, I wanted my car to resemble my life. Everything that I'm gonna go through, everything that I've made it through, and I'm still here, still standing. Every wrap has been like that. I don't never wrap a car just for aesthetic. Grasp of what my car really means, it just makes my car so much tougher because it explains something. Yeah, y'all see where I'm coming from? Like, I didn't want a car just to be like, yeah, that bit hard, yeah, that bit wrapped like that just because of this, or just because of that, just because I liked it. No, my wrap means everything, from every little scratch, every little flame, everything means something. Also, I had another artist help me get the wrap exactly how it looks. The car did not, this is not a full print. This car is not fully printed at all. It is definitely done in pieces. We pieced it together, making it look like a camo car. We actually hand painted and airbrushed the whole thing. It looked hard before we did the artwork to it, definitely could have rolled out the wrap shop. Once we started adding and piecing together the scratch marks and the airbrushing and everything, the car was starting to come together. And it's funny, like a lot of people that were at the shop while this whole process was going on, we're confused, we're raising eyebrows, and it didn't look right, you know? This was a trust the process type of build. Hey man, it came out pretty good. The white is a gloss white, and the black is actually not black. It's actually like a asphalt color, like a basalt. I don't know if that's the best way to explain it, but it's not black because technically you can see where we added some of the black marks to it. Now this is black. That's how like a lot of people think my car is black. It's really not. It's like a dark gray. Boy, what the fuck? What are you doing on here, boy? What you doing over here, boy? Get your... One of the last things that I had to do, and I had to go ahead and stamp everything, was put this one of one sticker on my windshield. This brings everything together because I took it to the A the other day, had a meeting up with a couple guys. Mr. Goddammit, Richie, he has the green Hellcat and the pink Trackhawk. Man, they said they've never seen no shit like it. They said it was tough. So hey, I think this is one of one. Nobody's ever seen nothing like this on a Hellcat, so had to go ahead and stamp it. Oh, also the banner up here as well. This is another big controversy thing. Did we want to leave this banner like fully just white? But now we incorporated the wrap by adding the camel spot here. And also I must say, like when we were trying to piece everything together, this is probably one of the hardest parts as far as making everything make sense and flow from panel to panel, and not make it look so cheesy and not played on. We wanted it to make sense. And it was to the point like I was like, hey, let's change that spot, or hey, I don't like that spot, or hey, come here, let's add a spot right here. Like this whole process took about 2 months just trying to figure out everything as far as sketches, putting it together on the computer, digitizing my Hellcat logo and everything. It took 2 months. But the logo up here, this is my actual SRT logo because it has SRT with my Hellcat sign. Forgot to show y'all that. And also, hold on, let me show y'all these sketches. Forgot to show y'all these sketches. Here go these sketches that I was just mentioning y'all about, man. This is my vision, and this is where it all started. Then from here we took it to the computer. And this is what I was telling y'all. I had a logo for this left side. I just didn't like the difference, so I just went with this one on both sides of the car. But seeing your design and everything go from paper and coming to life is crazy, not gonna lie. If you put your mind in anything and you want to get creative, you can do it. Don't ever let anybody tell you can't do some shit. Seeing me do this on paper and draw it up, and me change this line and that line, and then me actually seeing it come to life, and me actually being hands-on and helping it right there to see it all unfold in front of you is wild. It's crazy to me. But it makes me appreciate my Hellcat so much more. This is more than just a Hellcat now, man. It's really like a sentimental collectible. It's like a dream come true. Being blessed with the artistic talent and be able to do something this crazy in this magnitude, bro, is a blessing, you know? And I'm glad God has gifted me with the artistic talent. If you guys really enjoyed this video, that's gonna be all for this one. We got a Christmas video coming when I have my car down here in the parade. Y'all make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And until next time, y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.